Hey, finally got the new wheels and tires on the Chevy. My new lugs came in. New lug nuts. You can see they went real good. And you can also see the tires have been, well, you can say we Christianed my new wheels and tires. We took it in the sand just for a little bit to see how it would do. And I stayed in two-wheel drive, and with these tires on, I just went up a hill of sand, and I didn't even put it into four-wheel drive, so it did a good job. Yep, the wheels and tires do look good on the truck. They look good. 37 by 14 and a half. 16-inch wheels. Yep, they look good. Yep. They give a little bit more to the wheel wells. You got a little bit more coverage in the wheel wells now. Fills them in a bit. Yeah. Lifted the truck about another 5 inches. Yep. Looks good. How tall that is. Brings the differential off the ground by quite a bit more. Yep. Brought the diffs off the ground. Put the drive shaft back on for the front. Yeah, this truck's happy now. It has its wheels and tires, and I tested them out. You can see it. They look like big old powdered donuts now because they went through some powder sand. Broke them in. But they look good. Gotta paint the tailgate, make it look better. And tape up the truck and really do a good paint on it. But for now, looks pretty good. Not bad. Yep. Looks pretty good. I also put a bed liner in there. See? Nice little rubber bed liner. So if I put things down there or put stuff in the back of the truck, it doesn't gouge or put any more gouging in the bed. The rubber absorbs the shock, so plus it makes the bed look a lot nicer. Little things. I mean, it's a good deal on eBay for 115 bucks. I have to say it's going to save my bed because I just painted the bed and I put that nice bed liner in there and it protects all that work. So, boy, this truck's getting tall. Wow. The hood is almost, gosh, the hood's 5 feet tall. This is more than 5 feet. The top of the hood. This is just right below my chin. So this truck is lifted quite a bit. It's a little bit of work to get in there. Well, I hope you like this update on the video. The Chevy's coming along. Still a lot more things to do, but this really finishes off the lift, is the wheels and tires. They sure look good, and the truck rides so much better. The tires act like additional suspension because heavy-duty trucks ride really hard, even with shocks because of the stiff leaf springs. But with these nice big tires and smaller rims, the rubber in them tires gives it such a nice ride. Much better ride. Well, I hope you like this video, and mad boosting.